Remember to always tie your hair up, wear full-length clothing, closed-toed shoes, and always wear safety goggles in the lab room. Be careful when working with hazardous materials.
For the lab, you will need 2 iron tablets, 0.125 grams of K-4, electronic scale, ring stand, burette funnel, burette clamp, mortar and pestle, 25 milliliter graduated cylinder, 50 milliliter volumetric flask, 250 milliliter Erlenmeyer flask, 15 milliliters of 1.5 molar H2SO4.
Slide the burette clamp down the ring stand and tighten the screw in the back if needed.
Measure out approximately 0.125 grams of potassium permanganate and then transfer it to the 50 milliliter volumetric flask. Dissolve the potassium permanganate in water until it reaches 50 milliliters in the volumetric flask.
Please make sure to dissolve thoroughly. Place the iron tablet into the mortar and use the pestle to crush it into powdered form. Measure out 15 milliliters of H2SO4. Take the iron powder and add it to an Erlenmeyer flask, and then add the 15 milliliters of H2SO4 that you just measured out into the Erlenmeyer flask. Make sure to dissolve completely. Make sure to close your burette.
Rinse the burette with the permanganate solution. Afterwards, using a funnel, pour the rest of the solution into the burette.
Record the initial volume in the burette. Drop in the permanganate solution into the Erlenmeyer flask 1 milliliter at a time. Make sure to swirl the solution in the flask after each time.
With every drop, the color will disappear more slowly, so make sure to pay attention to when the color stops disappearing and the whole solution turns pink or purple. At that point, the solution has reached an equivalence point, and you can record the volume in the burette. And of course, guys, with every lab, don't forget to clean up. Thoroughly wash all the containers and make sure to get rid of any chemicals in the safest manner. Keep in mind that some chemicals you cannot just dispose in the sink. Make sure to ask your teacher
how to properly dispose of your chemicals.